Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my channel. Today is December 17th, 2022, and I'm going to discuss gold, silver, and senior gold miners GDX. As the last meeting of the year by the FOMC passed behind us, I believe the year-end rally across all markets is likely to start. As our primary focus is precious metals, let's start with gold. This is a weekly chart. The metal has demonstrated a very interesting price action over the past 3 weeks. Note that gold managed to regain a 4-year major rising trend line once again after a 3-month false breakdown, a very prominent price action. A weekly chart held at retest 2 times, further solidifying support. Despite quite hawkish rhetoric by the Powell, the chairman of the Federal Reserve, gold didn't really budge. With the benefit of hindsight, it was naive to expect gold to rise higher on a FOMC meeting week. But as this meeting is behind us, I expect gold to grind higher over the coming weeks. Let's zoom in. This is a 1-hour chart. Over the past 5 weeks, gold has been trading with an ascending wedge formation, which is usually a bearish pattern. On December 13th, gold formed a mini breakout, but didn't manage to follow through. And at that time, it became apparent that the lower band of the formation was going to be tested. In fact, gold formed a false breakdown intra-week, but on Friday, buyers managed to push it back into formation, which is a very good sign. Now let's slightly zoom out. After breaking out from the descending channel, gold tested the upper band of the formation and since then has been trading within the ascending wedge formation, which we discussed earlier. As the next step, gold should be breaking out from this wedge towards my initial target standing at $1,870. Likely by the end of the present year. As gold consolidated gains above 4-year major rising trend line for the past 3 weeks, senior gold miners GDX has been gyrating just below a 2.5-year resistance. Over the coming weeks, I expect GDX to break this long-standing resistance and spike towards $33 to $35 mark, which represents 20 to 25% advance. This move will likely happen in a blink of an eye, within 5 to 7 days, just as it happened in the first decade of the November. Finally, let's have a look at the silver. The metal has tested the upper band of a 2-year descending channel formation. As gold starts to grind higher, silver should be spiking towards $25.5, $26 level over the coming weeks, which represents around 10%. As I said before, the hardest part in the precious metals is behind us. I believe the coming 2 weeks will be quite fruitful for the precious metals sector. This is it for today. Stay well and enjoy the weekend. Please note that this video is not an investment advice and prepared solely for educational purposes.